Bo?
What's up? How you doing?
Where are we going?
We're going to my shop.
Yes, sir. We're gonna do some chop, some screw, you know.
We're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff actually today. So why don't you guys just come?
Let's not talk about it. Let's be about it. All right, whatever. It's super late. I spent literally all day putting this engine in the Subaru. It's not fun stuff. I was just helping. Yeah. Screw you, Subaru. Just helping my homie out, but now he has a bitchin' daily. So we're gonna up the B shop and get to work.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana. I wanna see you bust down.
Excited?
Hey there. Got some hose.
What you doing?
Putting that coolant pipe in, just making sure I got the right one.
Nice.
It's all the way in the front,
Yeah,
correct?
You're doing great.
Then yes, I got the right
Yeah,
one.
keep doing you. Brian, we got some room. Bring that bad Larry in here.
Okay.
So we're gonna be doing something in Brian's E46 that isn't maintenance, which is sick.
Yeah, right. All I ever do that car is maintenance. So. Well, I guess that's not true. What else did I do? I put wheels on it,
Maintenance upgrade.
coilovers, but this is an upgrade in the visual department.
Yes, sir. You're good. Run, Josh, run!
That shit was like Indiana Jones in real life.
Hey, doggy, what you got here?
We got a thing under here.
Okay. Let's see what's up.
Open her up here.
Oh, boy. Damn.
Got her done.
Got her done. So, if you guys don't remember, which you should because you watch every video, right? Is we got Brian a CSL style trunk for his sedan E46, which is sick. Damien saw it in a junkyard. We ran down there, picked it up, paid 40 bucks for it. Brian spent a couple of days doing some fiberglass magic, got it looking perfect, and just painted it yesterday.
Yeah, I'm excited. Looks like it came out good. We'll see how the color matches.
Dude, that looks unreal. You can't even tell it's fiberglass. Very impressed.
Thanks.
And this looks so good. Yeah, this thing is gonna be this thing's gonna
It's gonna look like shit on there. If anybody's got a white one of these. Actually, it does.
We have to basically. Oh yeah, there's the stock.
There's the factory one. There's that one.
Yeah, real cool. So we have to basically dissect his trunk fully and pull off all the OEM stuff, like the wire harness, the latch, the cover, the hinges, and everything, and the lights and whatever else.
Yeah, I mean, right off the bat, I'm assuming that I'm gonna have to adjust the crap out of all this in order to make that fit.
Because remember, this is made out of 100% fiberglass, which never fits 100%.
Yeah, I doubt that it's gonna.
All right, hold on. Close it real quick so I can give him a little before side view. Okay.
All right.
Winter wheel
And-
action. It's okay.
When I get bored, I can tech on my trunk lid.
Hell yeah.
Got a freaking quarter pipe built in.
Hold on, let me do it.
You lost the old clip. I didn't lose any clips. You lost the first
Did I get you
clip
in
you
the eye
touched. Hit me dead in the center of the nose.
All right, here we go. This is
I can't believe you lost.
this can.
This is trash. Either my car was rear-ended or BMW sucks. Look at this one's adjusted all the way in and this one's all the way out. Or my trunk fits like shit and I've never looked at this. This is gonna be a crusty boy. I can't break it because I gotta put it. Oh.
Did you break it?
No. Wait, careful! This brittle. Even though this car doesn't seem like it's that old, it's old as hell.
Oh, there we go.
Just don't want to break it.
Nice.
Alright, throw it across the room.
See if it fits.
I don't know.
Ooh, not bad.
I should have tested all this
Not bad
before,
at all.
but
Not great, but not bad.
Jimmy, you gotta put it on properly and then it'll fit.
Look, ooh, 2 lights.
I wish these lights weren't utter trash.
Yeah, they're basically destroyed.
But it looks sick.
You know what's not gonna look sick?
No, oh what?
The little plate.
That is, honestly, I'm putting nothing but trash on this brand new trunk clip.
It's okay. What about your rondelle? Is that good looking?
Brand new, I think.
Perfect. Well, I'm playing Mrs. Mary fucking Poppins over here, cleaning their whole shop. Look at this. It's getting clean. Josh, what are you doing?
Trying to get this old ass dank hose off.
Okay, shit. So to go with the turbo upgrade, Josh needs to increase his injector size and his fuel pump size, since the K comes with little itty bitty injectors and a little bitch ass fuel pump. So Josh went with some, what'd you get? Some ISR, trust me, 550cc side feed injectors, and an ISR 255 fuel pump. So he's gonna throw the injectors in right quick. Oh, these are E85 compatible?
Yes, sir.
It's pretty cool. Put it all together and
Voila.
what? Done.
And, yeah,
You're doing
done.
great.
Perfect.
Yep, keep doing you. Yep. She's getting there. Hopefully it runs by this weekend. That's the goal. Fingers crossed.
You ordered the ECU?
Yeah, ordered the ECU yesterday.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah. Trash cans later. We're making a good dent. And Brian got his hinge out. That's it. Come on.
Hey, what? What? I didn't take any hinges out of anywhere. This is a latch. It's still not even out.
Oops. A weird predicament here?
No, just I don't know. I haven't done any research or anything at all. But I like this is a brand new factory BMW emblem, and it does not.
Have the same curvature.
Yeah, it doesn't have the same profile. There.
I wonder if the CSL is supposed to have a little.
I don't know if there's a specific CSL one, but I do know like the SUVs and the wagons have a different rear emblem. So maybe
Make it fit.
I'm supposed to put that on here.
A little bit of heat gun action. I think you got it. Bend her up right quick. Ta-da! If anyone needs a stock E46 sedan trunk, it'll be $26.
Yep, not shipped.
Not shipped. Picked up. $26. Come get it. It's a good price.
Yeah, it's probably 100 at the
No,
junkyard.
$26 and a peach Red Bull.
Yeah, that's a deal. Then it's a deal.
Yeah, it's
It's $100 at the junkyard.
always clean your jams, kids. While Brian does that, my next business is cleaning off this workbench, because this workbench is sick. Look at this thing. Super cool, full of trash. Already been at it for like 10 minutes, but it look good. This stuff is sad. Look how sick this workbench is. All it is a stupid storage shelf right now.
Don't go too crazy. People are gonna think you're moving in.
All right, well, first test, do these line up?
Well, probably not. I would assume.
Hey, not bad. They both fit. It's a good start. When installing fiberglass, always go slow and listen for really bad noises, because it'll crack and break very quickly. So go slow. But we're probably gonna have to stack some washers on both sides of the hinges to get this thing level, because it looks like it's probably not gonna be very level.
Well, see, I don't know yet. We have to close it, but there's height adjustment here too. I'm worried about the bolts being too long.
Yeah, bottoming out.
I don't think it's happened yet, and it might not.
So got the injectors in. We got 550s. More than enough for our power goals. Then we simplified the fuel lines, got rid of everything else, just so we have a line coming right off the rail, straight to the lines on the chassis. Boom, and boom. Looks good, Josh. Woo! Oh, first test fit. Ooh.
Closes. We're very high on both sides, especially this side.
Okay. That thing's very white. We gotta buff your car now.
No, my car's just really dirty. I think the color's not that bad, to be honest with you. The color's pretty good. All right, guys, check it out. We got her on there, but we're gonna have to do some custom modification. You see, our hinge has some adjustment here, which is really cool. But it's not enough. You can see I'm maxed out.
Custom modification.
Oh, loser. Anyways, so I'm gonna have to ream these out, which is like, in my profession, that's a dirty word. Like, you don't ream things out unless you're a hack. But anyways, in this situation, we have aftermarket parts. We're gonna have to deal with it. But as you can see, we're still high.
You're still high.
Realistically, I need to ream it, the same distance that I am high. And this side, I believe, is probably a skosh higher, which it is. Definitely, obviously higher.
Looks pretty dope though.
It does look dope. Damn, I never saw it. I only saw this through the angle of the lens.
So much longer.
Jimmy's got me out here throwing away a bunch of valuable parts. Does anyone have a super old BMW? Because I have all of these bleeders. Look, they say Brembo on them. That's at least these are for what? What are these for?
Get it right, B. Look at this thing.
Yeah.
You know what? I didn't throw away that much stuff.
You want to know what's messed up though? I bought this like forever ago as a Harbor Freight piece of crap, and I thought it was broken. Turns out, where was it, Josh?
You know what's also more messed up? You guys did this like 2 years ago.
Cord was cut.
Yeah, yo.
Good thing I didn't throw it out, huh?
You didn't throw anything out. I did.
Always wear eye protection.
What a hack! What a hack!
But goddamn, look at this bench. This thing took me forever to clean off. I'm very proud of this. If this thing's dirty, next time I come back, I'm kicking both your asses.
Popped off? It popped off.
Oh no.
Well, we need new ones of these.
All right, let's see if B-Hall's ream job did the trick. look how crappy this looks now. This looks eBay as hell.
Yeah.
Ugh, look at it, dude.
Brian, is that standard procedure?
Oh, yeah, sometimes you gotta double check shit. I gotta figure out how to get out. Okay. No, that's not gonna work either.
So, what's going on here? I was just checking some shit out. Oh, okay, cool. And guess what?
Your boy's still cleaning this stank ass place. Operation Make B-Hall Shop Great Again started a few days ago, I think, yeah. And just like that, it is, I think, finished, right? You think you got it? It looks pretty good. Yeah, you got it. So gaps are pretty even, and yeah, there's so much red in this paint. Like the more you look at it,
I mean, I think that's a lot of that light, and that light and the white reflects a lot of it.
it looks very, very funny on the sedan because you just don't see it. Dude, we need to get your summer wheels back on ASAP. Yeah. But it's gonna snow tomorrow, so you probably shouldn't go that.
No.
Yeah.
I have snow tires for a good reason.
For snow reasons, but cool. The $40 CSL trunk is now officially on and installed. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, you gotta slam the shit out of it right now, but I'll probably fix that.
What's the total
soon.
cost into it? Plus my $40.
We're probably at about, well, it depends. Like, I didn't pay for the paint either, so.
Personally, we have $55 in this thing.
Yeah, I maybe spent another $15.
Which is sick. This angle makes it look so freaking long. That's pretty cool. I'm about it. What do you guys think? Let us know. Comment below. Yay or nay. I think it looks dope. Wait till we get the summer wheels on. Then it'll look really bitchin'. But right now it kind of looks funny because it's like a stock ass E46 with a duckbill.
Yeah, you don't even realize like how low it is either, too.
I planned on figuring out the intercooler pipings today in the Mark II, but ended up cleaning instead. But like, I'll consider that a victory. But all right, I mean, let's look at it. Well, that's how that comes off. If you go all the way down here, it basically lines up straight right there. So I'm gonna cut it and go from there. One cut later, we have it right there. It actually fits pretty tight right there. And then we got it coming out. Not bad. So now we just gotta figure out how to get from here to here. So. Alright, let's see. We slip this one with a coupler. I see something happening here. If I weld these three pieces together, I could put a coupler on this piece and on the lower piece, and it should work out, and it doesn't look that bad. I think I need to get one more piece of metal because it's just a tad bit too short, but I have more in my shop, but that's cool. So I found a coupler that actually works. I didn't realize I brought it. As you can see, it comes out right there, but we're a little bit farther away than I thought, so luckily we have more of this piping right here. So I can cut off like 4 inches of this, get it welded to that, and that side is completely done, which is sick. It's not the prettiest way to run pipe ever, but I guess, I mean, it gets to the point and does the job. So the whole car itself is pretty boxy, so if the intercooler piping is kind of boxy, it doesn't look that tacky. So that works out. I mean, 15 minutes of cutting and measuring, I think it'll work, so cool. Well, guys, I ran around for 4 hours sweeping, and Brian installed a pretty bitchin' trunk today.
Yeah, it's pretty exciting.
So, yeah, you guys will get the full take of it once we get the summer wheels on and get it outside. But I'm happy this thing is I'm happy this trunk project is wrapped up. That's pretty cool.
I am too. Yeah, no, I didn't want to work on that any longer.
Yeah, you did a lot of sanding on this bitch. Cool. I'm happy. Let us know what you guys think, and if any of you guys with E46 with CSL trunks out there, send me some pictures because I'd love to see how it looks.
Yeah.
So yeah. With that, it is stupid late, so we're gonna call it a night. And you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. And be
Have a great night.